Our topic is how to lock and unlock the Word document. Right now I have been opening this Word file. Now let's go to set up the password for this Word file, and we will go through this menu bar and we will get this file, and after clicking here we will get lots of menu, and within that we need to go to this info, and when we will go to this info we will get the protect document option, and after we click we will get this encrypt with the password. So by clicking over here we will get the password, that is I'm going to put the password 123 and save it. Now let's go back, let's close this file. Our file was here, so let's open this. So it's asking the password. Now I'm writing over here the password. Let's see, the file has opened. Okay, and along with that, to remove the password, this process is same. Go to this file menu and go to this info and go to this protect document, and in here you will get encrypt with password, that is click over here and remove this password. So after removing, save it and go, let's go back. Now let's close this and let's see will it open or not. Let's see. Okay, oh yes, it's working. So thank you.